morning, children. Again, yesterday I have already completed about the sentence about assertive, declarative, and interrogative. I completed. Today I am going to explain about imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. These two sentences I am going to explain today for you. So listen carefully, children. So imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means what? These are sentences that express a command. See, here in this imperative sentence, it expresses the command, request and advice. In this imperative sentence, command ఉంటుంది. Command means what? Come here. Like that. The command will be there. Go there. Okay. Like that will be there. Request means what? Please give me a pen. Otherwise, please talk so slowly. Okay, like that request means we have to tell in request way. Command means we have to demand. Yes or no? Come here, go there, talk slowly. Like that we will command. Close the door. Like that the command sentences will be there. In that command sentence also comes in which sentence, children? Imperative sentence. In imperative sentence. Okay. Request also comes under imperative sentence only. Okay. Request means please give me a pencil. Please talk so slowly. Okay, these kinds of things will be there. And advice. Advice means we will give the advice. If anybody is not feeling well means we will advise. Go to the doctor, you consult the doctor, it will be okay for you. Okay, if anybody is smoking too much of cigars, what we will say, don't smoke that much, your health, your lungs will spoil. Like that we will advise to the people. Okay, so these three, command, request and advice, these three comes under imperative sentence. Okay, imperative sentence. Okay, command means, see, here I wrote some examples for you. Go away. What you have to say? Go away. Command you have to say. Bring me a cup of tea. Bring me a cup of tea. Okay, close the door. Clean this mess. Okay, the hotel manager will order to that servants, clean this mess commandly. Okay, so this is the thing. And in request, some examples I wrote. See, please form a queue. When the bus comes, or in school bus also, the children has to form a queue. Okay, like that in RTC bus stand also we will tell, please make a queue. Please form a queue. Please be silent. When we say this word in the class, so many children are talking like that, and we will say, please be silent. Okay, and next, advice. See here, advice. Examples. You should consult a doctor. If their health is not good means, they are suffering for a long time means, we can advise. You should go and consult a doctor. You should keep your room clean. What do you let us say? Room is not clean means, we will advise. Keep your room clean. Okay, na children? So this, in this imperative sentence, command, request and advice, these three parts will come, and this belongs to what kind of sentence, children? Imperative sentence. Command vaste a sentence, request vaste a sentence అని అనుకోకండి. These three categories belongs to the imperative sentence. Okay, children, you also try to make some words, and this is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. What is the meaning of the exclamatory sentence? Means this sentence express strong and sudden feelings. Strong and sudden feelings or emotions. See, some emotions. Some will automatically, for example, see children, while we are watching one movie, if comedy will come means, if comedy scene will come means we will laugh. And some emotion scenes it has came means we will cry automatically without knowing us, we will cry. So that are the emotions. Suddenly what happened, we don't know why we are crying. Okay, so and sudden feelings, you see, some you are going by the road, one big snake has come means, what will say, wow, like that expressions will come. Any dangerous accidents, my god, like that some expressions we will give. Yes or no? That are sudden feelings. Okay, So example, this is the symbol of the exclamatory mark. Okay, this is the symbol you have to use. See here, wow, the view is beautiful, the location is beautiful, wow. Okay, these are the exclamatory feeling. Okay, this symbol we have to keep, children. LS, my dog died yesterday. It is sad. My dog died yesterday. Oh, this also. Oh, hooray! I won the match. Oh, I lost my pen. Like that, here the exclamatory marks must be used. This symbol you have seen means that is nothing but a exclamatory sentence. Okay, na children? So you try to form some more exclamatory sentence and you send in comment box for me, children. Okay? If you like my grammar what I am teaching for you. If you like my channel, please subscribe, children. Don't forget. Okay, now bye.